working on a Volvo that was recently painted due to an accident, and the owner requested some other areas be touched up. And in the process, the job was poorly done. There's a lot of trash. There's areas here, and then just the texture of the paint is uneven. You can see where it's heavy one place and light in the other places, and under the mirror, if you could see here, well, you can't see, but I've already sanded a little bit under the mirror where maybe they didn't spray very well in terms of the paint, so it was just looked bad. So the owner wanted to improve that, see what can be done, but there's all kind of trash that's in the paint, and it's basically just little dots, just like air pockets in the paint. So just trying to clean it up, make it look better, and deliver a better quality job than how he got it from the body shop. And it's mainly the front end, the fender, the hood, the doors, actually even the top, because he had it re-cleared. So all of that has pretty much the whole car. I would say half the car, if you will. Half the car has to be done like this. So you probably could have got a paint job, but I'm doing what I can here to see what I can salvage for him. So I'll let you see the end results once I'm done.